everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you one of my new favorite products. This is the MINTSonic facial cleansing brush. You can use this on your body as well, so you don't have to just use it on your face. I know some people, get breakouts on their shoulders, on their back. Your back might be a little bit hard to reach, but you get the point. First of all, this video is sponsored. This product was sent to me. I just want to let you guys know that as a licensed esthetician, I obviously really care about skin. What I'm putting on my skin, how I'm caring for my skin, and anything that I can possibly share with you, I definitely want to do so. Let me just tell you a little bit about the MINTSonic. So this is a facial cleansing brush. This is made out of FDA grade silicone, so it's not going to harbor bacteria like most brushes with actual bristles do. This is going to be a lot more clean. It's antibacterial. You're not, using this over and over again and reapplying bacteria into your follicles. That is my main thing that I want to get across with this. That's probably the most important thing to me is cleanliness. I mean, if you're going to use a brush that harbors bacteria, then what's the point? That's what I really love about this. It's very easy to clean. You just wash it with soap and water afterwards, and then you can stand it up like this to dry, or you can pat dry it with a towel. The only downside, in my opinion, with silicone is it catches hair. So if you have pets, you probably want to be very careful with this. And I know that when you have cats or dogs, it's so hard to maintain clean surfaces and clean clothing and clean anything really when you have animal hair everywhere. I just went to my mom's house and brought back a bunch of dog hair with me, so now I'm finding some dog hair on this. However, like I said, it is really easy to clean. Other than that, I don't really have any problem with this. I think it's an absolutely amazing product. I think that everybody should have one of these. This is going to gently exfoliate your skin while it is deep cleaning your pores from oils, impurities, makeup, anything like that. It does have, I think 15 settings of vibration. You can turn it up and you can turn it down. The power button here is here in the middle, and as you can see, it lights up blue on the bottom when it turns on and as it turns off. Pretty much any button you press on here, it's going to flash blue lights. It is a leaf shape like this. The tip of it is intended for areas that are hard to reach, so under your eyes, in the corners of your nose, and then the flat surface, of course, you can use on your entire face, like the cheeks, the forehead, the chin. On the other side, it is a little bit more curved, also has larger bristles and they're more spaced apart. This side is good for massage. So if you want to kind of get like an anti-aging effect and kind of just stimulate your muscles, this side is going to be really great for massage as opposed to the smaller bristles that are going to cleanse your skin. You can use the back side to kind of massage your eyebrows and kind of give yourself like a little instant lift. It is very invigorating using this. Like once you cleanse your skin, you feel so energetic and your skin looks so healthy afterwards. It makes your skin look more youthful. I've been using this for about a week now. As most of you know, if you're not new to my channel, I have really dry skin and I get dry patches. I've always had eczema as a kid, especially in the drier months. This has been helping. I still notice that I have, some flakiness on my nose and a little bit around my eyes, but I do want to say that this has helped improve my skin. I think it's super adorable. The color is really cute as well. They're not too pricey. They're pretty affordable. I'm not sure if they're having a sale right now, but these are discounted right now, so I will have the link down below in the description box for you guys. On the box it says renew, refresh, refine. It's a really cute little box. It has like that little indent cutout right here, and then it opens up like this, and inside you will find your MINTSonic as well as the USB charger, which I just want to say that I think it's amazing that this is USB chargeable. It does have a lithium ion battery. This is the cord, so you can plug it into like a charging block or your laptop. To charge it, you'll find the charging port at the bottom. I will say that it is a little bit hard to open. You kind of have to have long nails because my nails are definitely not long and I have trouble with it, but it's not too terrible. It'll be down here and then you'll just plug it in. The battery life actually lasts a really long time. I haven't had to charge mine yet, and I use it every single day, like a couple times a day. Yeah, the battery life is amazing. I have seen somebody else say that you can go about a month without charging it, so that's awesome. Nobody likes to have to recharge their products all the time. Nobody likes to have products that die fast. And then inside with that, you will find the manual. So there's a warranty on this, which is really great because if something happens to it, if it breaks or something, like if there's a defect in the product, they'll cover the limited warranty. I'm pretty sure it's a year. I don't remember. You can use this in the shower. It is water resistant. I also wanted to let you guys know that you don't have to just use a cleanser with this. You can use serums, you can use creams, scrubs, exfoliates, anything like that. Anything basically skincare wise that you can apply to your face, you can use with this. I like to use it on my lips a little bit as well. It kind of just brings the blood flow to your lips, making them a little bit more plump. And then it also gets off like the little dead skin bits out of the corners of your lips, which sounds really gross, but it's awesome. So another cool thing about it that it says in here is it has up to 8,000 sonic vibrations per minute, which is crazy. That's going to really help with blood flow and circulation in your skin. This is also great for any skin type. So if you have sensitive skin, even mild rosacea, this is still going to be really good for you. If you have mild rosacea, maybe just turn it down as much as you possibly can. See what you can kind of be comfortable with. So that's pretty much it. I think I've covered everything. Again, like I said, I have been using this for about a week. I absolutely love it so far. I'm actually going to buy my mom one for Christmas. I don't think my mom watches my videos, so it's okay that I just said that. I was telling her about it actually, and she was telling me she really wanted one, so I'm definitely gonna be getting her one. I will have MINTSonic's Instagram link down below, as well as the link to the actual MINTSonic facial brush. I hope you guys check it out. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. I will be more than happy to answer them for you, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.